Hi everyone, this is Saucy, the Traveling Towboat Chef. Welcome back to part 2 of the Gumbo. But before I show you the Gumbo, I gotta show you this awesome sight along the river. So it happens once in a while, and sometimes we get a lot of them on the boat. You'll see why when you see this video. So welcome back, and let's get on to the video. There was lots of fish jumping. Now that I bring out the video camera, nothing. Oh, there they are. Wow. I'm surprised the eagles are not around. Okay, they calmed down. Let's see where they pop up to next. Okay, after 10 minutes, it's gotten darker. Hold on, let me get my spoon. See? That's what a roux is supposed to look like. So, I'm pausing this for just a second. Be right back. Alright, the next step, you add the rest of your butter. This is before you put it back on the stove now. Stir that in. Get that roux loosened up a little bit. Trust me, it's still hot as hell. There's no way I'll stick them all on this side of this pan. Okay, butter is all melted. Get that started real quick, and we're going to be putting in the veggies as soon as it starts bubbling a little. There it goes. Didn't take long. Now this next part's going to be a little quick. Some of you are going to say, oh, that's not how you do it. You know what? I do it the way my aunt taught me, and I get lots of compliments on this. You coat up everything. Coat it real good. It looks like this. Let it steam for a few minutes. while that's doing that, I'm going to go heat up my water to be able to pour in here when it's time, and I'll be right back. Okay, the next step, you add your Worcestershire. But I know this pot is, I got a lot more than what I expected. So, instead of a half cup, you just judge it. If you know anything about gumbo, you just judge it. You can tell by the aroma. Oh yeah, and then it starts pulling everything off the bottom too. Get that going really good. Now, I put in the bouillon cubes in the water here. Got that going. Oh. Stir it really good. Can you hear some of that stuff still at the bottom? Keep stirring till that's all up off the bottom. That's where all the flavor's at. God, it smells good already. I love the smell of roux. Alright. Once that's all, it's gotten thickened up a little bit too, which is good. Gonna have some juice from this too. Come before it. Add your chicken and your sausage. Right now I only got 6 cups of water. I may add 2 more cups. Yes, I am definitely adding 2 more cups. Be right back. Oh, hell. Oh, whoops. Alright. And this is where you add some parsley. Now, normally you're supposed to add fresh parsley. Towboat style. Gotta do with what we have. Alright, hold on. I'll show you what this looks like. Let me switch sides. Well, let's check it out. Oh yeah. That looks so good. And it's time to add the shrimp and the onions. And shoot, I don't have it open. Oh, dang it. Blooper. But you didn't see it, just heard it. And the parsley. Stir it all in. Since the shrimp is already cooked, it's time to take it off the stove. Put a lid on it till the guys come down. I still got to make the rice to go with it. Thank you for joining me on this Mumbo Jumbo Gumbo Day. I appreciate every one of you for subscribing, and for all my new subscribers as well. You all have a great day. Please click like, comment below, and share this video. Thank you again. Have a great day.